Calculation of tiles area for a room and number of tiles required for a room. In this figure we can see a dimension of room 1 and room 2. Each room size is 4 into 3.5. So floor area of room 1 is equal to 4 into 3.5 is equal to 14 meter square. Similarly, if we consider area of tile is equal to 0.60 into 0.60, then it is equal to 0.36 meter square. Now we have to calculate the number of tiles required for a room 1. We have number of tiles is equal to floor area by area of tile. We have floor area is equal to 40 and area of tile is equal to 0.36. Then we got the value 39 numbers. Now we have to calculate the tiles required for room 1 and room 2. So if we have the size of room 1 and room 2 are same, then simply we can add. Then it's equal to we have for room 39, similarly for room 2. Then we have 39 plus 39 is equal to 78 numbers. Then we know that for room 1 and room 2 we have number of tiles required is 78 numbers of size 0.60 into 0.60 meter. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for this kind of videos. Thank you so much.